Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars. Look what a big ferry is waiting at the dock. It's lowering its ramp. That means the cars will soon arrive. Ah, here they are. 4 monster trucks are getting on board the ferry. They're heading for the island to participate in a race. Oh, the purple car is peeking at them. It also wants to go to the island. They're raising the anchor. The propellers are spinning. The ferry is getting underway. The monster trucks are going to the island where the helper cars are finishing the construction of a racetrack. At the dock, a tow truck is waiting in case a car breaks down. Only a bit further to go. The ferry is docking. It drops anchor and prepares the ramp for offboarding. The cars drive onto the island. They're all getting off, and the little purple car too. This is the beginning of the racetrack. On your mark, get set, go! Oh wow, the trucks are kicking up lots of dust. The monster trucks easily clear the dirt obstacles with their huge tires. That's the way to jump. The little car wants to do it too. But it doesn't have such big tires. Don't jump around here like an ATV. Careful! Oh no, the little car landed right in the middle of a pile of sand and dirt. Well, are you stuck? Meanwhile, the racers are finishing the first lap. Hold on, don't jump. You have to rescue the stuck car. It can't come out on its own. Its wheels are spinning in the sand. The helper cars stayed on the island for just such a situation. Let's call them. Please help get the little car out of the sand. The excavator is removing the extra sand with its big bucket. The crane truck extends its boom, lowers its magnet, and easily pulls the little car out of the ditch. And the tow truck will carry the car on its big platform to the car wash. Its body and wheels need to be cleared of sand. The helper cars go back on the ferry to return to their garage. And here's the car wash. Little car, are you ready to get cleaned up? Turning on the water. 3 big washer drums start to spin. Now they're cleaning the little car till it shines. How clean it is! Now it can play with its friends. The helper cars are returning to their garage. Today, they were builders and rescuers. Now it's time for a good rest, so that tomorrow they can head off on a new mission.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The construction vehicles are building a new track. The truck is delivering parts for the double loop. Small cars will be able to accelerate quickly and drive on the track upside down. And here come the cars. Wait, the barrier is still closed. The track isn't ready. To get around these loops, you need a powerful launch mechanism, and it hasn't been delivered yet. Look, the big cars are leaving. And the small ones, oh, they're going for a ride on the track without permission. Purple car, do you want to try? No, it's not working. The yellow car decided to do a bigger run-up. It's trying really hard. It passed the first loop. But with the second, oh, it rolled down. Not enough speed. Maybe the red car will succeed. It's going down the slope. Accelerating. The red car enters the first loop. Gets past it. But now the second. Oh, it fell down. Uh-oh, it's flipped over. Let's help it get back upright on its wheels. Look, the construction vehicles are coming back. The crane is getting the launch mechanism from the truck. Inside this mechanism, there's a powerful spring. It will accelerate the cars so they go very fast and don't fall. The track is fully ready. Green light. The barrier is open. Let's ride. Who is the bravest? Ah, the green car. Can it reach the finish line? We'll find out soon. Let's go. How fast and how easy. It already passed the entire track. Well done. Congratulations. Who's next? The blue car. And behind it, the red one and the yellow. Purple. Green. It worked! What a great track! Wow! The cars are following one another. There's plenty of space on this huge track for everyone. Oh, are you arguing about who goes next? Don't argue. Better to all come to the starting line together. This turned out so well. Both cars reached the finish line. A very brave puppy is riding in a convertible. Do you also want to ride on the new track? Yes? Then come to the starting line. The red car presses the button. Wow! The puppy is driving upside down. It worked for him. The helper cars did a great job. Time to return to the garage. Do you know why? Because the cars need to rest well. Tomorrow, they'll have new tasks waiting.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars are throwing around a paper plane. Oh, it's landed on the purple car. Take off. There's a real airplane. It's heading for the takeoff strip. It's picking up speed, and it's taking off. The red car is trying to take off too. But it's just a car. Let's try to come up with a way to help it. Knock, knock. Good morning, helper cars. Could you help the little car learn to fly? Our helper cars can do anything. Where are they off to? The dump truck has brought some green blocks. The crane truck is picking up the blocks with its powerful magnet. And the little cars are pushing them. Look, they've made a ramp. The red car is picking up speed. And it's flying! Boom! It landed right on a pile of soft tires, so it hasn't been hurt. The red car still wants to fly high in the sky like a real airplane, with a propeller and wings. Hey, this way, everybody! The crane truck has picked up a wing. And here's a propeller. Time to go to the repair shop. Let's see what we can do. The red car has driven onto the car lift. Shall we put some wings on it? 1 and 2. They really suit you. Now for the tail. Let's change his number for a propeller. All done. What do you think? Will the red car be able to fly? Let's go and find out. The car has started its engine. It's picking up speed, and it's taking off. It's working. The red car is flying like a real airplane. The airplane car is very happy. It's flying over the repair shop. One more circle. And it's landed. Time to go to the repair shop and become a car again. Let's take off the wings, the tail, and the propeller. Let's stick his number back on too. Look, now you're a car again, with wheels and your own number. Hooray! Let's go and play. The helper cars are going back to the garage again. It was a very interesting job.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
There's a little boat sailing on the river. Captain Puppy is at the head. Do you see something? Oh, is that an old wheel? The whole car is in the water. Who can help get it out? The puppy is asking the construction vehicles for help. The excavator, crane truck, tow truck, and pickup truck are coming out of the garage. The tow and crane trucks are heading for the river. The crane truck is pushing out its long arm. It's using its big magnet to lift up the sunken vehicle. It's an old forklift truck. It's so dirty, and the cabin is full of water. The tow truck is taking the broken forklift to the repair shop. The boat can set sail again. Captain Puppy, full steam ahead. It's the repair shop. Let's see what we can do with the forklift truck. The excavator has put the forklift on the platform. Its chain is all rusty. Its forks are bent and won't go up. The wheel jerks when it spins. Let's take the forklift apart. We'll take the tires off. They might be dirty, but they still work. We'll keep the engine. It still looks new. Let's remove the steering wheel too. Let's put together the new forklift. The motor goes under the hood. The forks go at the front. All done. We don't need the old, rusty body anymore. That strong magnet is dropping it into a special crusher. Now we've got scrap metal we can recycle and reuse. Look, Captain Puppy's come ashore. The pickup truck has brought him boxes of fruit. They need unloading. Which vehicle could do that? Our new forklift truck. It's doing such a great job. The forklift has loaded all the boxes onto the boat's deck. Thank you. The puppy can set sail again. I wonder where he's taking those tasty apples. The helper cars are heading back to their garage. They've finished their work for today. Time for a break.
Helper cars.